Today I'm going to teach you how to clear cache for Jotform. This is a simple maintenance task that can help resolve loading issues, ensure you're seeing the most up-to-date version of your forms, and improve overall performance. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your login credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll see your profile avatar, which is typically a small circular icon with either your profile picture or your initials. Click on this avatar to open the account menu. This menu contains various options for managing your Jotform account and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your Jotform account and manage technical configurations. Once you're on the account settings page, you'll need to scroll down toward the bottom. Keep scrolling until you find a section labeled Form Caches. This section is specifically designed to help you manage cache data from your forms, which can sometimes cause display or functionality issues if it becomes outdated. In the Form Caches section, you'll notice a Clear Cache button positioned on the right side. Go ahead and click this button. This action will remove all stored cache data associated with your forms, essentially giving your account a fresh start. After clicking the button, wait just a moment for the system to process your request. You should see a confirmation message appear on your screen that says all caches are cleared. This message confirms that the cache clearing process was successful and your forms are now working with clean, updated data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Jotform cache, which should help improve form loading times and resolve any display inconsistencies you might have been experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.